Welcome to this tutorial on how to send likes to a group on Instagram using your PC, following the latest update. Instagram has made it easier than ever to engage with your friends and groups, and today, we'll walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you haven't done this before, simply navigate to the Instagram website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your feed and various options on the left side of the screen. Next, look for the messages icon located in the left menu. This icon resembles an envelope or speech bubble, and clicking on it will take you to your direct messages section. Here, you can see all your conversations and group chats. Now, it's time to open the group you want to send likes to. Scroll through your list of conversations until you find the group chat you're interested in. Click on it to enter the chat window. This is where all the fun happens. Once you're in the group chat, locate the like icon at the message box. This icon typically looks like a heart or thumbs up symbol. Click on this icon to send a like to any message in the chat. It's a simple way to show appreciation for what others have shared without needing to type anything. With these straightforward steps, you can easily send likes within your group chats on Instagram from your PC. This new feature enhances interaction and makes conversations more lively and engaging. So go ahead and try it out. Your friends will appreciate your likes, making your group chats even more enjoyable. That's all for today's tutorial. Enjoy connecting with your friends on Instagram in a whole new way.